Well, it's about that time that we go ahead and get this video started, guys. We're out here for round one of Klutch Kickers. We actually didn't even know we were coming until about, I don't know, 2 or 3 days ago. I just ended up moving down to Florida from Georgia. North Florida though, this is pretty far south. We're about 3 hours north of Miami. We're at the Freedom Factory, so you guys probably know what that is. Everything in the shop is all packed up in cardboard boxes. Like there's no, the car's not prepped at all really. We just decided last minute, we're like, we're gonna come down anyways. Got the 240 out here, gonna make some practice runs with it basically and just see how it goes. And already rode around a little bit on the Grom, got some clips of that you guys will probably see in a second, but track looks big and fast, but it also looks like it could be familiar territory for me. I like the big fast track, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, right here, we're gonna do a couple laps in practice. I don't have a whole ton of tire, so we're gonna just do a couple laps, see how it feels. Look at the tire wear, come off track, think about it, talk about it, see what the car's doing, and just go from there. If I get a few laps today that feel pretty good, I'll be happy with that, and just go into tomorrow. Okay, gotcha.
Everybody's coming off of the grass and apexing the grass over there, but you can be off the bottom, slowing down.
The concrete lifts it?
Yeah, you have to stay on bottom, but you can lift and slow down, that's fine, but just be deeper.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Will do. It wouldn't be a Florida drift event without rain. We're hunkered down in the enclosed. It is coming down out there. Just got one lap done on track though. Super bumpy out there. Hopefully this rain will dry up, but if not, as long as the rain stops, that's almost a better thing, because I think there's rain forecasted for the whole weekend, so we get to practice in accurate conditions, but pretty happy with the car. The tent is filled up with water and chilling on my car, but I got a remedy for that. There's one more on the driver's side. freaking exhausted. Last lap, I'm about to pull my freaking tires off to go change them. Chase a dude, got way too greedy chasing him, and he spun in front of me, and I just whacked him pretty good with a wheel. But luckily it's just a rear tow arm, so we should be okay. I haven't actually looked under there, but I think we'll be all right. Unfortunately though, this event was so last minute for us, we do not have any spares really whatsoever, so I'm hoping we can either ghetto fix this one and just get the alignment rough enough with a toe plate, or it's an ISR arm, and Injuku has a booth here, so hopefully they might have one. There's a R chassis out there which is similar enough to an S chassis that maybe one of their spares, they'd be nice enough to let us use it, so we'll see if we can do that.
Toe plates or anything? I got some. You don't have Try to go ahead and
It don't have much further to go.
Broken axle. I'm just gonna say, if it's a one more time, I'll probably need to use my comp timeout.
Yeah.
But
So if he does it one more time, I'm just gonna assume you're using your 5.
Probably, unless I have time. Can I work on it?
No, you can only do fuel and tires.
Okay, then I'll have, I'm pretty sure it's an axle, but
You can't even like technically jack up the car to look.
can I just leave it sitting there and look from the ground?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are we trying to do? Go in reverse?
Yeah, put it in reverse so you can roll, get the roll backwards. Alright, we need one. I'd help, but it looks like I got it. Is someone filming this? Yes.
So I forgot to film a clip during all that commotion, but we ended up taking our 5-minute call. Mike comes over, we get the car jacked up, and we can't really find anything wrong with it. We thought it would be an axle because the car would still drive, so we thought maybe just one axle was broken, but since the diff's welded, it was still sending power to one side. Apparently it was just broken diff, but not like fully. So we take our 5-minute, can't find anything. We have axles sitting there trying to change them if we could, but we can't find anything. So we just drop the car back down and think, okay, if something's wrong with it, we'll find it in the burnout box. And sure enough, I pull back out there, start to warm my tires up, and it just blows fully. And because of that, he got the win. So it's unfortunate, but these things happen in drifting, and it's just part of the game. So that's how it went for this one. And I guess hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys on the next one.